Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Looking at Matic, you know what? We just pumped up about 5% this morning, so we're doing pretty good. Are we going to target 170? That's what I'm going to be looking at in today's analysis. How long can this little bull run actually last? All right, let's go with this, guys. Currently, we're sitting at 109 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a crypto trade. We're about to win another trade on AVAX as well as Mana, so I will show you guys how to get to our Telegram channel to take all of our trades in the second half of this video. So let's dive in here with Matic. Right now, we're looking at all the retail trader indicators up here. You know, we're looking at half of these moving, moving averages are actually, bearish, obviously, because we're in this downtrend. But we're starting to see the RSI, the stochastic, and MACD become bullish here. So I am looking for this continuation for retail traders to actually probably start, buying this market to try to get us to this high up here for around 170. But I want to show you guys some other things we're seeing over here that could actually aid to this and start pushing the market back up even higher. Take a look at the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion here. When this gets to the higher red section, this is where we're looking for drops back down in the market. So I wouldn't doubt if we start seeing this move back. We're already seeing it a little bit here, but do you guys see this little bit of a reverse head and shoulders pattern right here that could take place to end up shooting us back up here? I do think this is possible, and we are at the top red section. And if you guys know what's happened last time when we're up here, well money flow high, this is where we see drops in the market very fast. Previous time before that, we saw well money flow very high, moving actually out of the market while price structure started to move up here, which is what's called divergence. And if you guys know how to use these indicators here, whenever the indicators, these two down here, are moving in a downward fashion and price structure is moving up, that's where you guys need to watch for the big drops and where you guys can make a ton of money on your short trades, okay? We only take long trades on the channel, just so you guys know. Look at this over here as well. Price action was heading down over here. Well money flow as well as trend exhaustion. Look at that. Moving up here while at the same time. That was a prediction of a move back up. You guys have been seeing this on the videos if you've been watching us recently on the YouTube channel. So guys, these indicators are what we're using to call the tops and the bottoms. You guys can get them in the description. They are working wonders for us. It's how we actually have exited all 109 wins that we've taken. We've never lost a win here yet. So really awesome. Just showing you guys this over here one more time. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. Look at that, guys. Calling the drop before it happened. Obviously, this market over here, well money flow high as well as the trend exhaustion high. That's all I want you guys to look for. Whenever these two are high here, you need to be watching for moves back down in the market. And when they're low, that's where we're looking for moves back up. Okay, let's take a look at the metrics over here really quickly so you guys know this. Come under pricing here. You guys are going to get access to all of our trade calls, all of our entries for the trades, all the exits I call out, every trade I enter into. We have 2 days left, guys. It is 2 days left. Today's the 23rd, and we're going to be upping our membership to $95 a month on this Friday coming up. So make sure you guys are securing your spot over here before the prices go up, okay? You're going to get access to all the metrics as well as the Telegram channel where I'm calling trades that I'm getting into. I'm also going to give you guys all the exits there, the inner circle and the master class. You guys get access to all of that. So guys, this is a very good place to be if you want to be trading with us into 2022. We're going to have a blast over here, and we hold the highest win rate on all of YouTube as well. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's go over to Matic here on Polygon. Let's take a look at the metrics this morning. All right, these are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time in 27 minutes. Emotional index is sitting in the anxious section here. I like this because this tells me that retail traders are anxious. They've come from selling. Guess what, guys? It's time to buy the market. It's time to buy the dip. Look at this double bottom bounce we're getting right here. This could push us up to previous structure highs here around 213. I think the first target, which is honestly, guys, probably pretty easy to hit by this weekend and even Friday, is going to be $1.70. Just so you guys know my target that I'm looking for here, $1.70. Once that is broken, I'm then looking for a continuous move up here. Let me show you this to you guys real quick. Trend line, pull this down. 170 will officially give us a break above the descending resistance, so definitely watch that because that will end up giving us some very bullish signs. In the short term, I wouldn't doubt, because the trend exhaustion is so high, exhausting the trend, and well money flow is getting up here, we may see a little bit of a run into this descending resistance, and then we're going to see a little bit of move back down. But watch this reverse head and shoulders pattern right here to end up skyrocketing us back up if we do move back down. These are bullish signs that I see. Let's continue. Market cap strength. As long as the market cap is following the price structure, we're healthy. If ever the price starts moving up here and market cap moves down, means money's flowing out of Matic and it's moving into other coins. That is not bullish, that is bearish. So we are very healthy as far as the market cap goes for Matic. Trades in favor over here, we're seeing that the trades in favor are definitely in long trades down here. We pushed down to the good long trade area, telling you guys, hey, this is a great time to get into this market. You guys want to know how to master scalping? I will teach that to you in a masterclass we're coming out with soon. But here's a quick tutorial. When you guys see the trades in favor showing in good long trades here on the daily time frame, you come down to the 4 hour and you see the trend exhaustion low and the well money flow low. Guys, these are great times to get money into the market before it starts heading back up. We saw this happen over here where we saw this dip straight down into the good long trade area here before we started seeing it move up. That's correlated exactly over here. Guess what else you guys saw? Trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. Do you guys see how you can use these metrics and indicators together? That's why I have them on my same screen and I split my screen here so I can see this. Absolutely ridiculous entry you guys got here to take as much profit as you wanted to. You guys can literally just exit once the trend exhaustion gets to the top here if you would like. Or when this metric tells you guys to go short. And then literally when it said go short up here, guys, which was right up at this area, do you guys see why else you would do that? Well money flow high, trend exhaustion high. I have never taught this before to you guys, but make sure you guys are getting our indicators in the description so you guys have this ready for the masterclass that's coming out soon within the next 2 weeks. And then make sure you guys have the metrics so you guys can watch this. Guys, the money you can make over here is pretty ridiculous. Well, in institutional smart money, let's take a look at this right now. We're seeing that long trades are only increasing for Matic over here as the price is dipping. This is a demand of a lower price is taking over. Institutions are buying this thing, looking for this to move back up. This is a very bullish sign. Last time they ended up doing this was over here on the dip. I injected $49,000 into the market and we started to ride this back up. We did dip lower, which was I don't know if a lot of people thought we were going to go lower than that, but look at what's happening here, guys. This is a bullish sign. Everybody who has money in Matic, you guys are up about 5% this morning. Good job. I think we'll continue to move up here. Support and resistance prices. If you guys have money in the market, the next drop I'm looking for is around 159, around that 160 area. That's very close to where we're at. I'm going to say that we're probably going to get closer to this 170 area and then see a drop back down. Now, if we blast up through that, the next place I'm looking for us to actually really get a drop back down is structure high, and that's simply up here at about $1.88, okay? So once you guys see that move up here, that's the next target we're looking at. By this weekend, based off this analysis, I don't think it's unrealistic by this weekend for us to pump up another, let me get the percentage out here, about another 12% by the weekend. That puts us right around 170, okay? So 12% by the weekend is not unrealistic whatsoever, but do watch for this little bit of a move down here. Maybe today we'll get this and then actually start seeing that reverse head and shoulders pattern. Very bullish pattern. No one can argue that, okay? This is very bullish. The only thing that you could say was, be bearish here is because we're running into this descending resistance where we could start pushing back down a little bit, but overall we're seeing the metrics look very bullish here with institutions and wells. Great entry for you guys who came out here and took this entry here. If you have money in the market, you're buying dollar cost average entries. You're holding for the long term. Great job getting money in here. You guys are sitting up in profit today on that call. Exit points. This came out here and showed us an exit here before we started moving back down. I also did that up here very well. Next time we see the price move up, I'm going to be looking for red bars to come out and then a drop back down. You guys ready to get into a Matic trade? Scroll straight down here and you guys will see this trade setup. I want to keep it private for our members, but let's go over to Bitcoin so I can show you guys how to get into this. Go to the Bitcoin charts, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here we go, guys. Every single one of our wins, you guys see me over here taking 109 wins in a row and never losing a trade. That's seriously, we've never lost a trade and also have one of the healthiest accounts on all of YouTube here. 150,000 is break even. Okay, here's what you guys are going to do on the Matic trade today. You guys are going to take the amount that you want to trade with. $1,000, let's say it's 1,000, you choose the amount. Take this $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions, $250 each. Place $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow, and then once you guys' first buy limit is hit, you're just going to set up a sell limit in green. Very simple, guys. Set up 4 buy limits, and then you're going to set up a sell limit. Now, once you guys have all that set up, follow me in the Telegram channel. This is where I'm going to be calling exits. We're about to win the AVAX trade as well as the mana trade, so watch that. Once we exit that trade, I'll call it out in Telegram. You guys can join me again. We'll win more trades. That will be our 110th and most likely 111th trade in a row without ever losing a crypto trade. Okay, it's pretty awesome. Make sure you guys get in the Telegram channel today after you sign up with your membership so you guys can get access to all that. All right, the indicators. Let me talk about this really quick and we'll end this video. I want to keep these videos very succinct, give you guys the data so you guys can get what you need, move on, and start making money. The bundle pack of indicators, these are 82% off today, guys. You get the trend exhaustion down here, the well money flow, as well as the trend dashboard, and 6 other indicators on top of that. All 9 of these indicators that we coded, some of the best ones ever coded for TradingView. These 2 indicators for Forex have never been coded before. These 3 are the ones that we use every single day. Currently, these are on sale for 40% off. We have this sale up here, which is just ridiculous, which is 82% off all of our indicators. It's a one-time purchase, not a monthly fee. Purchase them once, get the indicators for life as well as the source codes, and you guys can start trading with those today. All right, guys, make sure before the day is over, you guys come over here and snag your membership. This is going to be going up in literally around 48 hours. You guys are going to see this go up February 25th, which is in 2 days. We're going to up this to $95 a month. So if you guys want to trade with us as a family, come on over. Overall, the trend I'm looking for as far as the metrics, we're looking for this to keep moving back up here, but in the short term, definitely watch, guys, for the trending exhaustion to give us a little bit of a pullback, and I'm looking for that reverse head and shoulders pattern here to then give us a nice move back up. So overall, I do think this is bullish, and we are looking to probably hit about 170 by this weekend, which is about a 12% move from now into the weekend. I think that's definitely possible for us to hit that. All right, guys, God bless you so much. The indicators as well as the membership is in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.